Hey, it's Nathan in Kent of Inglewood, Calgary. I had a request from Andy, one of our customers in the UK, and he wants to know how I style my mustache. So I've got Uncle Norman's Mustache Tamer, my favorite mustache wax. I like the way it goes on, nice and easy, and it holds really well all day. I also find I like Captain Fawcett, Tremendous, Mammoth is a really good one as well if you're looking for different holds, but Uncle Norman's is definitely the best in my opinion. So any mustache wax is going to come out of the tin pretty stiff. I use the back of my nail to remove a little bit, and then I warm it between my thumb and my forefinger. And this gets it nice and smooth, so it doesn't go on clumpy or waxy looking. Really, it just kind of blends into the hair naturally. I always start in the middle of my mustache, and I work it all the way through the hair, because you want it to have full control over the hair. So I work it all the way through the length, and all the way kind of down to the root of the hair. And then to curl it, I just wrap it around my finger. You can also run a comb through it if you want a more natural look. That'll kind of break it up, or even use like the Kent of Inglewood beard brush. It's a really nice way to kind of bush it out, but I like the tighter look. So I just work like so.